Check one. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right. D-Keem, what's up? Damn, that's small. Shit. Some different mobiles. CSS. Did I change it? Oh. Interesting. Maybe I'll just move that out. Let's make this bigger. Oh. Description. What is main? React prop. What is a main DOM element? I haven't seen it before. It's a React thing. Here, or HTML thing. Specifies the main content. Okay. Why would I want to use it? Yo, Astra, what's up? I'm just doing some freelance work, trying to make a Next.js app. I've never made like a Next.js app from scratch properly before, so I'm trying to learn that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna upload a CSV file, do some things to it, and it's a pretty simple app. I'm just trying to learn about this main DOM element, and like there's a reason I need it because I've never used it before. I'm just like on this Next.js boilerplate and they have it, so I'm thinking, do I just cull everything? Yo, Kurugami, what's up? Hope you're well. I'm just coding today. What I do for work. Hope I can answer some questions, and yeah. thinking of redoing this. There's some weird behavior right now in the app where I think it's if you go mobile. Yeah. That happened. So yeah, just making this Next.js app a simple CSV editing app. And the way they've done the styles is from this module, home module CSS. Okay, that's just probably the name. Oh, and then there's a global CSS. Okay. Is that it? I think they're the only two CSS files in this, yeah, whole repository. I'm trying to figure out why this breaks in mobile view to a completely different view. Not too sure. I've like removed all that. Oh no, here. Thought I removed all the media queries, but not that one. Okay, there we go. That fixed it. Nice. So yeah, I was looking for a good CSV library. So when you upload it, what does it do? Console logs the data. Okay, great. Let me see if I have any CSV files I can use. Give me one sec. Let's see if I got any comments on TikTok while I find that.
Saw a lot of comments like this, so I did.
Let's just search for. Did I talk way too fast
like
on this?
So I did some research. Now I found the easiest way to.
Okay, 2 comments. Thank you very much. I will appreciate your help. Thanks for the vid. How do I get an API key for free? I don't know if you can get an API key. I think you have to pay OpenAI for one. Andreas, what's up? You should work with more freelancers who stream. Yes, Andreas is the client for this app. So now you can see me work in real time. I'm just trying to find like a dummy CSV file right now, Andreas. Let's see, stats.nz. Addresses, this is pretty good. Have a look. I don't know if I have my okay, so it looks like this, which is expected comma separated values, but these files, CSV files, you can open them in like Excel and stuff. They're like spreadsheet format. So now if I upload this in the app, this is what it looks like. Andreas, dark mode. We can change the styling later if you want, but I should get a log of all the data points. Yeah, excellent. So that uploading is working quite well. There's no header row though in that data, is there? No, there isn't. So sometimes there's a header row, like if you see on the right here in the code, the first row is the name of all the other rows. Sometimes they just go straight into the data without the title row. Frank Dongo, hi, I asked Auto GPT to generate a file based on the results and save it. Where does it save to? I'm not sure, Frank. I've never tried saving a file from Auto GPT. I don't know if it runs stuff either. Sorry, I'm unable to help you there. For the amount of videos and comments I replied to about Auto GPT, I've only ever used it on stream for like less than 2 hours maybe. Okay, so I'm trying to edit this data from this CSV. So I need to come in here. Okay, let me bring this bigger. Yo, ME lawyer photographer, hi. Emily, thanks for joining the stream. Oh, I didn't end up going to Sydney, by the way, because it's raining tomorrow. So I'm thinking I might go Sunday instead. Robert Buttery, yo, morning homies. Frank says, could you try it when you have some free time later and let me know? I can try right now for you. I'll just quickly try get Auto GPT to save a file. That shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Make this bigger. Is that how you run it? How do you run this thing? Python-m, Auto GPT. Emily says it's raining tomorrow. Oh no, I'm not ready for rain. It's raining in Sydney. I don't know if it's actually raining in Canberra. We might be fine here. Okay, mate, what are we up to? I'm testing right now for Frank whether Auto GPT can save a file, and if so, where does it save a file? Save text to a file. So new AI named SaverBot, and its role is to save a text file with the context hello world. Let's see if it can even do it. Create a new text file. Put text into the text file. Save the file on local computer. That's it. Let's see if we can do it. Yo, Vadin, thanks so much for the TikToks. I remember you from last stream donating. Thanks so much. Appreciate you. Vadin Wolf. Big supporter of the stream. Okay, let's see if it's saved a file. Command write to file. Yeah, it looks like it. What? It didn't let me do anything. Let's try that again. I don't know, for some reason it bugged out. Should I make this bigger? Robert Buttery says, what software do you use for making your videos? I tried yesterday and was humbled. I use Premiere. Premiere Beta has like this thing you can do captions with, which is what I'm starting to use now. I used to use CapCut for captions, but I always cut the videos up in Premiere. When it's so, what are you building? I'm testing if Auto GPT can save a file, save text to a file, or just save anything on the computer. For Dark, who was it? Frank, sorry, for Frank Dongo. If you'd like to see something, let me know. Otherwise, before that, I was just working on this web app that I'm doing for some freelance work. Okay, here we go. Write to file, yes. Command write to file, error. Windows path has no attribute is relative to. Maybe it can't write to file. Premiere Pro, yeah, from Adobe, that's right. Emily, that's what I use to edit all the TikTok videos, except for the latest one. I just did that on TikTok really quick. Just using the app. Command error. Yeah, Frank, I'm not sure if it can do much. For the amount of hype Auto GPT has, it's quite poorly working. So yeah, give it a path. Okay, that's a good suggestion, Luke. It's stuck on thinking. I'm gonna close the whole thing and open it again. Maybe if I give it an absolute path, it could work. I make this bigger. I need to like re-enable the edges on this terminal. Not worth it. Alright, we're just gonna have to see it in really small mode. No, wait, I'm writing a new one. Test writer. I don't know if the name matters. Alright, the goal is to write to the file path C program. Wait, Windows is like this. Programming. Is it like that? Yeah. C programming CMDR. Programming CMDR test.txt. Right to the file path. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a thinking. I think it would be good use to first check what files are currently in the directory. It automatically failed. It didn't even let me do feedback, or maybe it's because I clicked stuff before. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Let's just restart it from the top. Yes. Okay. What does it want to do? Start a GPT agent. Can I write feedback? Just write to file. Brute force. Brute force commands. What am I drinking? Tea? Yes, green tea. Twinings green tea. Not that exciting, but it's the only green tea we had. I wanted something to have like calming yet awakening effects. Command Google. It wants to Google. Okay, no, I'm giving up on this. Conclusion, Auto GPT can't do anything. Or I don't have the patience to use it properly. If it takes more than 15 minutes, it's too long. Alright, the CSV app. This is what I was working on. Just this Next.js app. I'm going to upload a CSV file, and then I'm going to ping this API. So I'm using this service called Appify. They have like combined. They're pretty much like a marketplace for like API creation and usage. It's very cool stuff. I actually worked for them in like 2017 or 18 for a little bit. The way I found them was like they went through this accelerator program called Y Combinator. I mean, if you know what an accelerator program is, you probably know Y Combinator. And I looked at the alumni page and just like cold emailed them, asking for like a job, and they gave me one, and it was pretty fun. I never kept up the connection. Anyway, now I'm using their service. So they have this free API called Google Search Results Scraper, which I want to use. It says, actually it's not free, it's pay for usage, but it's like pretty cheap. It's something like, I think I had one run. Yep, this is the test run I ran yesterday. It cost not even a cent, like a bit more than half a cent. So like 10, if you used it 10 times, it would cost you 5 cents. That's not that cheap either, actually. Now that I think about it, because I think in this real life use case for this app, we might have like thousands of rows. So what's 1,000 times 6 cents? Oh. How do I bring up this thing? That wasn't 60. 1,000 rows is $60. Yeah. Damn. It's not that cheap at all. Frank Dongo, thanks for the effort. No worries. If you or anyone else finds a solution, please shoot me a DM for any AI that saves files. That's a good question. What kind of files are you looking for? Like Agent GPT, you can export like everything it said as a PDF. So maybe that's good. I might actually look for another way to do this. I know there's these things called SERPs, search engine page results, but I don't think it'll have what I'm looking for. Appify, yeah, that's what I was just on. Word pardes. Google Serper. Yeah. So the one thing that I need from this API though is this like Google Profiles, Google Business Profile panel. So like if I Google a company, let's say there's one here, Grease Monkey Braddon. Oh, I spelled it wrong, but yeah, this panel on the right here. I need it to know whether this exists or not. Google Serper says 1,000 free searches. Yeah, but long term, how much does it cost? Here we go. Starter, 50,000 credits. It's $1 per 1,000. Okay, so that's a lot cheaper. That's good. This is probably a lot better. But yeah, let's start the free trial. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna move this here. Going straight to GCP is cheaper but more complicated. Yeah, I don't want to spend like ages setting it up. Frank Dongo says, I want to generate results based on email addresses of companies in my area. With an AI, then save it. That's pretty cool. So I can import the text into it and start a Zapier process. That's pretty cool, Frank. I'm not sure how you would do that exactly, but I'm sure that it's a way. Definitely, I'd do some research, start Googling. I'm sure someone's done it. Okay, what's this? Playground. So you make your own kind of calls. Knowledge graph. What is this? Search query Apple Inc. Country locale. Oh, okay. Oh, they have a places search as well. Wait, so if I go Grease Monkey Braddon. Oh, it's also like, what country do you want to do it from? Have to be country. I guess it's different. Okay, and the search result. Doesn't have anything on the... I guess if it has a rating, it would be part of the knowledge graph. Hey. Apple have one? Oh, Apple has one too, but it's not a business one. Okay. I guess the ratings would only apply to businesses, maybe. You also get the result. Do this, hey. Yep. Okay, I might just use this. So I just get the API key, I guess. Oops. Bring this off screen. Okay, nice, it's hidden the API key. Do I get an endpoint? Or is it just here? Oh, Google Server API key. Oh, great. Just have my API key there the whole time. I could reset it. Alright, sweet. Whoa, what is that? Chili or a worm? Caterpillar? Do you know what the best way to get Auto GPT on Mac? No, but so many people have asked me, so I might as well have to look now. Auto GPT Mac install. Let's find out. This one? Pip install. Dude, that's so easy. Find a YouTube video.
In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Auto GPT on a Mac. We're going to install Git, Python, VS Code. I'm going to get an OpenAI key, and finally run Auto GPT locally from the terminal. Now, first thing you want to do is go to Google and type download Git. Here, just go to the first search results and click on download for Mac button. Now here you have several options of installing Git. One of them is using Homebrew, but probably the fastest way is to just go here where we have Binary Installer by Tim Harper. Click on the installer link. It's going to get you to this page, and just click on the download button and install that file on your system. Now, another option to install Git is...
Oh, there's got to be an easier way. There's got to be like the one command install. No. This guy, this troubleshoot guy is the one I did my Windows one on. Let's see if he has one on Mac. No. Let me check their GitHub real quick. Wait, what? Oh, sorry. GitHub. It said my paid OpenAPI key didn't seem to work every time I tried. But it worked sometimes? Thanks for the follow, Robert. Mac. Wait. Yeah, you can use the bash. Guys, I think you can just run this on either Windows or Mac. This is still one command, right? Do we try it? I have a MacBook. Emily says, have you got any security tips for staying safe from fake GPT apps? I'd like be very cautious of any GPT app that you use, and just like you're as safe as the data you give it. I guess that's my approach. Don't give it any sensitive data like your credit card numbers or your passwords or anything, but just use it as like a tool, like a smart person you'd ask for advice or something. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this Mac tutorial, because I think it should be really easy. I think these both are one hit installation type things. So like if you just download from the stable release and then you just run this, literally this one command in a terminal. I think it's that easy. Let me see if it's here. Auto GPT. Is the bat file here? There's a scripts file. No, there's no bat file or run file. Oh, I'm in the wrong folder here. Run, yeah, run.bat. There's no run.sh. Is there? You are run. No, there isn't. But the fact that they've mentioned it means it's here as of 4 days ago. Okay. So this stable release is actually 3 days ago. What? I should have it. Let me check this one. Maybe it's in the Targza. Run bat. There is no run sh. Is that because I'm on a Mac? I mean, because I'm on a Windows computer? And like the Mac could see the run sh? Let's see if I run this. Does it run? Oh, dude, it just does it one click. That's so much easier. Oh, but then if you have a problem with your pip, that happens. Okay, I reckon for Mac, maybe try to just download it here. Download zip. Download the whole code. And then open up terminal and run sh space start from that folder. I'll do a video on it. I can't really do it on this stream because I'm on a Windows. But it should be easy. No worries, thank you. Okay, Serper. Alright, I need to make a .env file. So whenever you're working with API keys on your project, you should never put them in plain text because then they get stored on GitHub forever. Dot says, what are you doing? I'm working on this Next.js app. Looks like this, where you can upload a CSV file. And then I'm going to use this Google Serper API to check whether the rows in that CSV file have a Google Business profile or not. That is what I'm working on right now. No JS, no JavaScript, no React, no Next. Wait, it doesn't have the kind of JavaScript I want. I guess this is the kind of JavaScript I want. Just a fetch query. So yeah, right now I'm creating a .env file. I'm gonna post my SERP API key here, which I'll, oh, that looks bad. That's not readable. SERP API underscore key equals, and then I'm gonna paste this one here, but I will reset it after I stop showing it every 5 seconds. Save that as .env in the src. Oh man, .env.text. Or actually, it's probably in the root of the project because it gets picked up by Node. And now I'm going to copy that fetch code and paste it here. Oh, that's my API key. That copy button didn't seem to work. Weird. Set the copy like that. There we go. Gross. But now here, I think you can go process.env. What do we call it? SERP API key. At least I hope you can. It seems to be complaining. Oh, it needs to be in a JavaScript object, apparently. Is that right? No. And this, wait, what? Okay, apparently .env is a JSON file. Is that right? I'm tripping. Argument of string undefined is not assignable to the parameter of string undefined. It's not assignable to string, okay. How, okay, I need to Google how you meant to, well, let's just ask ChatGPT, it might tell me nicely. How I meant to use .env in a React project or a Next.js project. How should I use .env file to store API keys in a Next.js project? You gotta use the .env package. I kind of thought that was the case. That's annoying. Alright, let's do that. Yarn add .env. Yay. Tarb. Then what? Then how do you define it? Oh, it was like how I had it before. I thought so. I'm like, I don't remember it having to be in JSON. And then you, no, I want it on the front end. Actually, maybe I shouldn't be having that on the front end. Probably shouldn't. Oh, okay, so cool thing about Next.js is it has a way to do an API, and a front end inside the same project. Here, API, hello TS. So I think if we do the fetch call in here, it's better. I wonder if ChatGPT has an opinion on that. Should I use the API call on the pages components? or in the API functions of the Next.js project? Let's get some confirmation. Other level says, do you need an API key to run Agent GPT? I think you can run it for free if it's not like under too much load for like a few loops, but or a few tasks. But if you want to use it like for more than anything, like four tasks or something, yeah, you do need an API key. Thanks for the follow, Matthew Hudson. Appreciate you. In the Next.js project, you can make API calls within pages or API functions. How it's generally really recommended to separate data fetching concerns from the presentation layer for better maintainability. Here's when to use each approach. Pages API, handle API calls, especially when you want to keep your client-side code clean. Use environment variables that should not be exposed to client-side. Yeah. Okay, so I should put them in the API folder. Salesforce Mahesh, thank you for your service. Thank you for your kind words and engagement. I appreciate all my kind commenters. Speaking of which, let's do a review if anyone's commented recently. You can reply to. Emily says, why did you choose the name Tech Friend? Because my niche is technology and the vibe is friendly. So Tech Friend. Or how? I don't know. I guess it's already answered. Ted Chat says, Auto GPT is so cool. Adulcasaurus says, is it safe?
So
I'm gonna say, don't take my word for it, but the author on the YouTube video I mentioned says anyone can view the code or something. Something like that with the, because I think like this command, the IEX
a lot of comments
command
like this,
is like,
GPT on
it's like a curl, so it gets from a URL. I'm gonna assume that's a URL, Auto GPT TCHT. So I guess if you go that site, you can maybe see. Line shifts, how do you stream and respond to comments at the same time? I do it on stream. So funny. Other level says, one question, is it possible to use the new applications to gather information and build our own AI? Build your own AI? I mean, it's possible, but it'd be very difficult, I think. Especially with Agent GPT. Cosplayer says, do you trust Agent GPT with your API key? I've heard it's not safe sharing it. Yeah, some people were saying that, so I couldn't get to the bottom of that, but let's look at the comments on that video and then we'll try to do some research ourselves. So which Agent GPT video was it? What works best for scraping? Agent GPT actually would work. Where was it? Okay, maybe it was the one before that. Here. You guys ready for some agent? Yo, is that saying you're here? Sorry, I saw you're before. Where was it? It was in my recent comments. Like someone commented today being like, trying to tell me that they have access to all my data through the API key. And I wasn't confident enough to tell them that's not the case. Here. Hey, I'm Lunacy. Why wouldn't the API key be able to access history? It's literally your account key. So my impression was is using the key just for like using prompts on the API, not for accessing history, but I could be wrong. Here, it is by Houseplayer originally as well. So let's do some research. Emily says I look nice in purple. This is actually blue. Is it purple? I don't know. I've had this jumper. It's my favorite one since like I was in college. So it's like 10, 11 years old. I really like it. It's so comfy. Okay, open API key. Let's see if we can do some research about it. There are all my keys. Where are the docs? Personal billing usage. I guess we could have a look at my usage compared to that one day. Docs. Key concepts, tokens, models, next steps, policies, privacy policy, personal information. We could. I'm gonna do a search for API. Nope. Key. Nope. Terms of use, service terms, plugin terms, policies. Here we go. API data usage policies. The Open API processes user prompts and completions as well as training data submitted to OpenAI will not use data submitted to train API. You can opt in to use it. Just ask ChatGPT. I don't think ChatGPT knows about this stuff because it's only up to 2021. House says type it into Google and you'll get OpenAI's post. What do you want me to type into Google? OpenAI API key safe agent GPT, something like that. Best practices. This one. Every commit. Always use a unique API key. Use a key management system. Monitor your usage. Compromised key allows a person to gain access to your account quota without your consent. This can result in data loss, unexpected charges, depletion of your monthly quota, and interruption to your access. Yeah, but I don't think there's anything on data leakage. Data loss one is interesting. That's not explicitly that you lose it. Your team's usage can be tracked via the usage page if you ever have concerns about misuse. Can the individual things be tracked? Okay, another way to check this is to check the API reference to see if there's anything about getting history. Because I don't think there is. List the models. Let's just go through everything. Make requests. Where? Making requests. List model, retrieve model, completion, create a completion. Chat, create a chat completion. Edit. I don't think there's anything on like requesting your own history. So even with my own API key, I can't be like get any of the data that I submitted to OpenAI. If you want to be safe house player, yeah, create a new account. But in my opinion, even with an API key, you can't find like if you're worried about people seeing the data you've entered before. I mean, they could add that to their API, but currently I don't know if that's a thing. Can you zoom a little bit? Sorry. Even though I'm going to be leaving this page now. But which bit did you want to see? This one? I was just like skimming through that API docs. I wasn't reading it properly. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be going back to my work until someone else asks a interesting question. Is there any more comments that I missed? Keep it up, mate. Appreciate what you're doing. Thanks. I've been getting a lot of nice comments like this. I appreciate it. Braden Ho says, is there any way to use Auto GPT free without Pinecone? I went to set it up, but there's a waitlist for Pinecone. I heard about that. That's what someone else said as well. I don't know. I guess not. I'm not sure if you even need the Pinecone API key. I think you might. Actually, it's not in the requirements anymore. You might not. I'm gonna try God mode again. Research the. It might not be needed as it's no longer in the requirements on their GitHub. Okay. John Power confirms that you don't need Pinecone. Other levels says, newbie question, I suck at Linux. What's the best application for Windows or easy program to install? Wait, what? That confusion, that question confused me. So what are you trying to do? Trying to get an agent to work? Just use Agent GPT. You don't have to install anything. Okay. So where did I leave this? Oh yes, I need to put my API call in the API. Ooh, Inception. So I have this hello TS. Can I make a new file called test.ts? And I'm just gonna copy the hello TS and do test.ts. Now the question is, do I have, does that work? Can I go /test and this should return John Doe if it's, nope. If I go /hello, does that work? No, okay, so that's not how it works. How do the API functions work in Next.js? Good question. Yo, thanks for the rose, house player. Appreciate you. Let's learn about Next.js API from ChatGPT. No. Nah, let's do a tutorial. Next.js API get started. API serverless. API routes. I think this is what I want. Okay. I see that well. How about now? Download starter code. No, thank you. Create the route. Export default handler. Yeah, that's what we already have. Hello TS. Okay, maybe it's a different endpoint. Oh, /API/hello. Okay. 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 Okay, they work. Excellent. So instead of test, I'm gonna call this, what should I call it? Get business. Oh, how about do serp? Do serp. Okay, do serp. And we're gonna go to the serper playground and copy that fetch call and put it in this function. Okay, so this does a call to Google. Try process env here. Process.env. Node env. No. No. I had it here. Serp API key. There we go. We ask what program do you use to record your streams? I'm using OBS. OBS. I think it's just called OBS actually. 29 for the like main recording, and then I'm using their virtual camera feature to route into the TikTok software, which is called TikTok Live Studio. So that way, and then I'm feeding the OBS into Restream, which then streams it out to Twitch and YouTube. John Power asks, SERP, is it expensive? It's cheaper than the other thing that I was gonna go with. I'll show you their pricing if I can. It's like $1 per 1,000 calls at the starter package. You can get it down to 50 to 30 cents per 1,000 calls on the later packages. On the more expensive packages. You're considering SERP for LinkedIn scraping? Yeah, do they have a specific LinkedIn thing? When I tried to scrape LinkedIn before, it threatened to ban my account. It was like, we've detected unusually high traffic activity from your account. Do this again and we will have to ban you. I'm like, oh shit, alright. Not doing that. Okay, this issue here. Let's see how ChatGPT wanted me to add this env variable, install.env, yep. Add that to the .env file, yep. Create a file called nextconfig.js if it doesn't exist. Let's see. Okay, it does exist. And require the .env thing and do that. Okay. I will do that. Like this. I think like that. Is that gonna stop complaining? No. No. Wait, what is this, dude? This is the longest help pop-up I've seen. Press F and returns an object of the user environment. It's possible to modify this. Hold on. No. Does my git ignore have it? It would. Yeah. OBS Studio was the one I was using before, so there's another one actually called OBS Studio, and it's different to OBS. But yeah, they're both pretty much the same thing. So what was the last one that you used to put to Twitch and YouTube? That was Restream. So if you put your streamer key into this, you sign up, and you can pay to do it up to 5 things. Like, I used to do TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube through Restream. But on the free version, you can do 2 for free. So I've just got Twitch and YouTube, which were the most popular ones. AMC Trader, thanks for the follow. Okay. I'm just gonna ignore that, hey. Gonna ignore the... We ignore it? Look, to be honest... What if I put it in a variable called conserp API key? And then put that there. Serp. No, still same thing. And if I made it a string, oh, we got Code Whisperer helping me out here. String or undefined. Damn, I was sure that would fix it. Wait, they got quick fix? Well, that's just the type of string of undefined is not. And I'm not good at TypeScript, so I'm just gonna ignore that. What's this one complaining about? Another type error. The good thing about TypeScript errors is you can ignore them and your thing will still run. So yeah. Can we await in this? Await this fetch. Dude, the like code snippet provided by SERP is so outdated. How do you do sync? Okay. Okay. And then here we will do the response. Response, I think it is in JSON, so we'll go response.text. Like that. Name is declared here. Oh wait, I did it one too early. That's not even the final step. I had to do it here. Result. Okay. String is not X. What was it before? It is string. Data. The hell is type data? The hell? Doesn't. Was that a return before? No. Oops. Man. He says, any tips for starting to build a website? What should I look at first? Any use for books and guides? I don't know what the latest good tool is for building a website, but I'd try to find that out. I could do some research. I know, like, actually, let me think. Webflow? If you're good at like tools like Illustrator and stuff, there's this tool called Webflow. It's kind of like, if you remember Dreamweaver. It's kind of like a modern version of that. No one uses Dreamweaver anymore, but I think Webflow is pretty decent. Webflow. It might be. Nah, I feel like Webflow would be the best. I'd use this. I think you might even be able to get like templates and stuff. Webflow. Thanks for the question. Where was I? Here. Alright, I'm testing out my new DoSerp. Should give me some results about Apple. Oh, it full worked. First try. No way. That's excellent. That is excellent, excellent, excellent. Can I configure this to return less stuff? No, I guess that's it. That's fine, that's all we need. Actually, John Power says WordPress is pretty good, but data technology. Yeah, I was thinking of WordPress, but I think it's just like, we need to move on from WordPress. Sweet. I might get this to return only the stuff I want, which is the knowledge graph. Knowledge graph. Knowledge graph. Rating and rating count. Const return data equals result dot knowledge graph. Can you do it like this? Result dot knowledge graph dot question mark dot rating. And rating count. Holy shit, how did I know that? Daniel Roy with the thank you so much. No worries, Daniel. I'm not sure what I did for you, but I'm happy you're happy. Tosh says, I have a project idea, but I'm so new in React. Could you be willing to help? Yeah, Tosh, if you look in my link in bio, there's a free 15-minute tech consultation. Or you could come into our Discord and chat there. We can help you out there. There's a bunch of tech friends in our Discord. Join up, guys. Okay. That's fine. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna change Apple Ink to Grease Monkey Braddon. Do SERP. Now it should. Oh, error. Alright. Object cannot be declared optional. What if I'm afraid, like, alright, let's just do it without the optional. Oh man. I'm gonna just do it like this. This is getting too too out of hand. I should just be like figuring out how to fix these errors properly. But instead, I just want to get it done. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here. What's the Discord name? It's Tech Friends Community. Links in my link tree in my TikTok bio. You can find it there. In my TikTok bio, I got all my links there. Join the Discord, ask your questions. I'll try to help out. Still getting this error? Let's see. Oh, it's trying to refresh. Slowly. No, it's so broken. Let's restart the server. Oh, there's like an error here. Maybe I should read. Let's run this again. Panic attack, yo, welcome back. What are we doing today? I'm making this next app that will process a CSV file. But debugging as always, cannot read properties of undefined. Yeah, I thought so. So can I do this? If you do this, I think this is called null coalescing. But if this still gives an error, I think I need a question mark here. So what I tried to do before. And here, but I was getting an error straight up. This is too many question marks. I need to do one or the other. All right, sweet. Okay. If I remove this one, what now? Ooh, completely empty. I think I might keep it as empty string. All right. Panic attack. Thanks for the like. Appreciate you. Why did that return? No rating. I must have typed something wrong. Let's have a look. Oh, this is so annoying to read. There's no knowledge graph? Knowledge. There is a knowledge graph. There's no rating count? Rating. Did I type it wrong? Is it in another object? Let's go look at the... Should be there. Knowledge graph. Result. Knowledge graph. Whoa, what did I thought that's how you... Yeah. Oh, I need to sneeze. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, what? Knowledge graph is white. Empty string or something. Knowledge graph. Oh, I got it. The issue is this ain't in bloody JSON though. What if I do it like that? I don't know if that changed anything. Oh, because I'm still printing out the whole thing. Yes, there we go. Now I got the rating and rating count. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And if I do something that doesn't have one, like, what if I do Grease Monkey Erindale, which is another suburb here? Would it still pick that same one up? Oh no, it didn't. Okay, sweet. Alright, now instead of this hard-coded string, I want to pass in a... I wonder if I can do rec.body dot... I don't know, actually, I'll just Google it because I'm not sure that that's how you do it. How do I take JSON data from a post request in Next API? Tosh says, I've tried joining Discord. It keeps saying action can't be completed. Are you sure people were joining yesterday? How can I test that? I can just try going to it from here, I guess. TikTok tech friend. My profile. Almost at 13K. Here, my link tree. You click this. Open my link tree. Join the Discord. Yeah, it worked. Might be something wrong with your Discord, Tosh. See if we got any new comments. A thank you from Power Ups. Thank you. And Cal said, I've been trying to do 3 hours and I still can't do it. But this guy's looking at the old tutorial on how to run. Have you seen my latest video? Okay. GPT, how do I get the post method? Rec.body. I knew it. I knew it. Rec.body.query. Query? Yeah. Yeah, query. That's right. We're gonna make a function here called what should it be? Process CSV. Whoa, would it fix it? Dude, I have tab bound to next pane like this, but it's also the same keybind for autocomplete on Code Whisperer, so it gets mixed up. On file loaded. So actually might want all of these. Maybe. Oh, TypeScript. Why do I even bother using TypeScript if I'm not gonna type my parameters? That's a great question. Okay. So we're literally gonna call that API on every single row in this CSV file. So for const row of data actually the first header row equals data.pop. The first this function processes CSV from Apollo. Wow. Okay, don't worry about that comment. John Power says, is Code Whisperer any good? I've used tab 9. Oh, I haven't tried tab 9. This is the first time I'm using like a code completion AI like this, and I did some tests and it was pretty good, yeah. But I'm just so used to coding that I don't really use it that much anymore, so I don't have really a good opinion of it. All right, let's see if this, wait, actually here. By process CSV, will that work? Addresses? One I just downloaded today, I think it is. Yeah, nice. Cool, and it's printing all the rows. Excellent. Now for each row, I want to call my API. Before I do that, I need to check the way that the data is going to be. How am I going to check that? I need to do this off screen because it could be sensitive data, actually. I should leave something playing for you guys while I do that. Everyone's asking about Auto GPT. Let's see what's the latest on Auto GPT on YouTube today. Anyone used it? Oh, live researching. Dude, I should put hashtags in my stream name. Look at this. See, I searched Auto GPT and someone doing similar stuff popped up. Let's watch their stream. Do they have higher quality? Wow. Would you like me to return being Jelly GPT? Find interesting proteins to talk about on Twitter. So they're using it to find stuff to tweet about. Did you try that Reddit thread suggestion? No, I didn't, John. Didn't try that one out. I'm gonna leave this running while I just sort this data thing out here. Where is it? Okay, so I have the format, Apollo format. Nico says, hi, I'm new here. What are we doing right now? I was watching a video on someone else using Auto GPT. What I personally am doing is I'm working on this project where I'm making an app where you can upload a CSV file and it calls an API and adds some data to every row in that CSV file. Yeah. It's a Next.js app. Technology says, can ChatGPT learn how to use APIs with Agent as it has access to the internet? John Power says, yeah, I think it can. You can pre-seed a file with your APIs. I believe there's an explanation in the README. Awesome. Is that Agent GPT? I'm going to try asking it to read API from news AWS products post 2021. Very cool. Okay, so this is the way the file is going to come in. So I'm going to make some test data. All I need is 2 fields here. Company name for emails, no. Name, where else is name? First name, last name, company name. Oh, it is that. Or is it company? Oh man, let me double check. Oh geez, Rick. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. Oh, it's Auto GPT. Okay. No worries. John, thanks for clarifying. Mad Hatter, thanks for the follow. Socks, welcome. Okay, so it's company. Normally the same thing, but it doesn't matter. So I'll have Grease Monkey here. And then the address is the other one. I want company address. I'm gonna just move it closer just so we can see. Should I get a address here? Oh. There we go. Let me add some more. What are some other places I could add? Socks, big fan, my bro. Thank you so much, Socks. I appreciate that nice comment. I'm gonna do some other places here. I don't know, man. What are some other places that I like? IKEA. IKEA. This address. I'll do one more. Let's Coles. Oh, it doesn't come up with one. What if I do Coles Monica? There we go. Coles Monica at this address. Okay. Let's export this as a CSV file and test it. So if I gotta upload that file, nice, I get my 2 rows that have that, they're in the wrong order as the original, which is a bit annoying. Alright, what we're gonna do is make it be smart enough to tell by getting that header row. Wait, oh, it shouldn't pop. No, what's the opposite of pop? Slice? Slice. Pop takes it from the end. Oh, let's use Whisperer. Excellent. Take the first row as header. Do it. Suggest it. Wait. Const header row equals. Let's see how they would do it. Data 0. And then, okay, I'm just gonna do this with comments. And now loop through the rest of the rows. Good night, Emily. It's all good. Shift. Shift? What does shift do? Does that enable it? Why isn't Code Whisperer doing it? Do your thing. Here we go. You just have to kind of start typing. Data.length. Oh, that makes sense. Wait, oh, let's try it. Let's see if we can do it in a different way. In a more nicer looking for loop. I think you can press right. No? How did you switch through? I swear it was right. Oh, well, maybe that's the only way. That's fine, we'll do it like that. For all the other rows, no thank you. Oh, we actually need to find the index for company in header row. How's it going to do that? Const in suggest. Oh, I didn't write. Const company index. No. Oh, header row dot index of company. Yeah, that's it. Whoa, we just rewrote another for loop as well. Also want const address index. Is it called address? What was it called? Company address. Whoa. Come on, suggest it. I don't want to type it. Yo, Teacher Megan, thanks for the follow. Oh my god, I'm just gonna copy this. I don't know, Code Whisperer, it's kind of slow and weird activating. Graceful address. ADDRESS. Company index, company address. Name index. Okay. Loop through the rest of the rows. Take the current row. Find the index for companies. If the company is Apple, no. Company name index. I also want company address from company address index. Okay. Now needs to be an async function. Oh, maybe it's here. Oh, I think cause address spelling in line 9. Line is line 9. First name, last name. Yeah, there's a lot of oh, address. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sucks. Do fetch call to API slash do serp with, yeah, how about just that? Await. Is it gonna do it? Code Whisperer, what the hell, man? How come you sometimes just don't even bother? Await. Yeah, await. There we go. Do serp. Nice. And the body is Q. Wait. Query actually is company name. Plus a comma plus company address. That's it. How do you get the result from the? This feels wrong. I think I'm missing one of these. And then one of these. Await fetch. How do you get a JSON response from a fetch? Google. Panic Attack says, do you do coding tutorials? No, I don't. John Power's right. The best way to learn is just by just starting and, you know, making mistakes. But I've heard good things about Free Code Bootcamp. So maybe try that one. Oh, sorry, Free Code Camp. Learn to code for free and earn certifications. Try that one out if you want to learn to code. Fetch my request, then data response. Ooh. How do you chain all these fetches to add to one thing without messing everything up? No, yeah, I want to use awaits. Actually, yeah, that's the whole point. I don't want to use then. That's gross. That is gross. Why is it recommending that? Await fetch. This is how it should be. Const response. And then response JSON. await response JSON. Yeah, like this. So const response equals that. And then new result equals, wait, no, serp result equals await response JSON, and then we want to add this to the data. I'm gonna make a new data here. Const return data or new data equals empty array. We're gonna go new data dot push, and we're adding the current row plus these two things at the end. So row here, row.push serp result rating and rating count. Why is this one? What, really? And then new data.push row. Okay. And then at the end we will console log the new data to see if we have the 2 extra rows in the end. See if that worked. No sign of anything. Let's do some more fetches. I mean, more console logs to debug this. Hello, or heckle. Master asks, what are you making? I am working on this Next.js app that's supposed to, oh, looks like it kind of is working. Nice. That gets a CSV file, you upload a CSV file, and then it checks every row in that CSV file against a Google search to see if they have a rating or not. A Google rating, and it looks like it's working. That's excellent. There's this one extra row I need to add actually, and that's the URL. So if serp result, we're gonna push all these to the row. Wait, if serp result are rating, rating count, and we'll push. Oh, we need a Google. Here. I need this URL. I said the query is this. Const search query equals that. I need some way to turn that into this format where they take every space bar, every space character, and put a plus sign. Oh, it's on, and they also put -2C plus. They put no, it's just plus. Okay, so here we go plus search query dot replace replacing all the, whoa, it already knows all the commas with 2C, and also does it know about the space bars? Oh my god, it does. Did you see that? It knows that I want to replace all the space bars with plus because it's a Google search. That's pretty smart. Shouts out to AWS Whisper. It's using SERP API. Oh, okay, I'm missing some messages. Tyler asks, what does having Auto GPT on your PC help with? At the moment I'd say it's not very good, so not a lot, but the idea is you can autonomously leave an agent running to like fulfill a goal for you, like research. It's probably the best for researching right now. So to research something like get data off the internet. Technology says that's supposed to use Auto GPT. Why not let it write all this code? I don't think it's using Auto GPT. It's using another language model that AWS probably owns, Amazon owns. The master says, nice. Aren't you forced to do a captcha if you do too many requests on Google? Yeah, probably, but if it's coming through their approved APIs, it's okay, and they probably have more leeway on throttling. Actually, they wouldn't even do captcha on API because it's specifically built for bots and code. Alright, let's run this again and see if I got my Google rating results added along with the URL this time. Technology says, I'm also working on a project with SERP API. I want to use Lens API. Is the service good? This is my first time using SERP as well. Sweet. Oh, that almost worked. I need to use replace all instead of replace. Replace all. Nice. Excellent. That should be it. So if I put that into Google, I should get that result I want. Excellent. Awesome. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to commit my changes and then we can move on to something more interesting. Because what's left for this is just, I guess there's the download. I might want to do a progress bar. What else? Download and progress bar. Those are the main two things. I don't want my .env in committed. I do want all of this though. Package JSON. Yarn lock. Index. User. Oh, no, don't discard. Please commit everything and upload CSV, do SERP. Excellent. Did that push it? Let me check my GitHub. Tosh, thanks for the follow. CSV Google. 4 hours ago. Oh no, it didn't push. Okay, I think it just pushed. Right. Nope. There's some kind of commit message. No, not the. I don't want to commit the env file. Do not commit the env file. Okay, apparently I don't know how to use the VS Code, whatever this is called, version control. So we're just going to use good old terminal. There's nothing in git diff. Can I git push? Okay, nice. That's probably it. There we go. Okay, nice. That's updated to the latest thing. I'm gonna use Versal, I think. I'll probably do that later. Or should I do it now? I might as well finish off this project now. Okay, let's figure out how to do a progress bar. I'm gonna do a really quick progress bar with hooks. So, actually, this whole function needs to be in. Did some people say you should comment every line, but I think if you add too many comments, it's just like this is unnecessary. Like all these comments I wouldn't normally write. It just makes the whole function longer. Okay, I'm gonna make a hook here. Oh, not there. Here. I'm gonna call it process progress and set it to 0. Import use state. Fix the indentation, and I'm gonna have a little process bar here. Process progress. If it's greater than 0, we're gonna show the process progress. Otherwise, we're gonna show. I'll show what we originally had, the upload option. Seems to be some issue with that. Oh yeah, I did double squiggly, which isn't necessary. Percentage. Wrap that in a P. Actually, could we do wrap it in a this comma expected? Is that so? Comma expected. What if it's, yeah, like that? Ooh, now you don't want a comma. Okay, but it's complaining about something else. This expression is not callable. There's no call signature. Bro. I put in a div. Yeah, okay. That was kind of felt unnecessary, but that's how we did it. And then every time we go through a loop, we set process progress to I over the length times 100. Dude, actually, Code Whisperer coming in clutch there. I would have had to think about that one for a while, before I got the formula for the percentage. But I didn't have to with that. All right, let's see if we get a percentage thing. Nope. No percentage thing. Does it even do anything anymore? It doesn't. Let's try again. Okay. This process CSV is not getting called. I don't think. Is it? It's not. Uh-oh. Oh, why not? This is definitely still working, right? Oh my god. Yeah. But for some reason, wait, okay, what if I console log process CSV? Then what? Then it logs the text of the function. But if that was outside, would it be the same? If that was here. And just say we didn't do this, so it won't complain. Okay, yeah, it is the same. Tosh, thanks for the follow. Why isn't this running the function? What if I do it like that? Oh, the arguments issue. Of course. Surely it'll work like this. That's what it was before. Why isn't it working now? Doesn't make too much sense to me. Alright, let's try do it the way we were console logging. Why didn't that copy? Excellent. Let's see if it works now. Nice. 25, 50%, 75. Processed. I guess, oh shit. I guess when it finishes processing, I should play a nicer message like completed. Set process to 100 at the end. Process progress to 100. New data dot push row push. And oh, this will be really easy to finish off. We can go make a new hook for processed data, which is starts off with null, but then when we get here we go set processed data to row. No, to new data. Oh wait, what the hell? Be here. And this true thing will be processed data if it equals null. Excellent. If it's not null, we can say process complete and have the new process data ready for download. Excellent. So now we can actually download the data we made. We can delete this because we never used it. I don't think we ever used that either. Alright, let's see if we can download the file after we process it. 25, 50, 75. Process complete. Download. Empty. No. Nano says no JS for backend. I technically don't have a dedicated backend for this app, but yeah, it's like a Next.js application altogether, and the backend is JavaScripty Node.js, I think, kinda. Home345, thanks for the follow. Let me remove these console logs, I don't need them. Why was the download not the processed data? Is what I want to know. Can we just... I'm gonna have a use effect and just print process data every time it changes. So it starts with null and then it should be updated to something once this finishes processing. Empty array, apparently. That's not good. Let's see if new data is empty as well. Oh, I think I removed too much code. Wait, what? Where's my for loop? Here. Yeah, I removed new data dot push row. New data dot push row. Oh my god, this this code whisperer is teasing me. Okay. Okay, maybe that would fix it. Null. Yeah, so now when I download it, it'll actually have all the data. Excellent. Sweet. That's pretty much it for this app. It'll just be nice, prettying stuff. I'm gonna remove all the console logs. Need that. And git add, git commit. Dude, my .env file should not be committed. Git remove .env. Oh, how do you unstage? I'm just gonna do it from here. What is up with my git ignore? Oh shit, did you guys see that? Actually, I do have to change the API key anyway. .env local. Bro, it shouldn't even have any .env. Oh, actually. No, I guess that makes sense. Anyway, how about now? Please do not have .env. Excellent. Available result for download. Result available. Awesome. 2 hours. Be happy with that. Git push. And we're done. We are done for that. I want to do this thing, hosting this app on Vercel. So all the devs have been moving to Vercel for hosting these type of apps. So I already did one the other day. Now I'm going to do this again. Just so I get in a good habit. Start deploying. Yeah, I logged in with GitHub. I might have to do 2-factor here. Nice, I don't. This one, CSV Google. You can just link your GitHub and then that's it. And then it knows it's a Next.js project. And I'll just add my environment variable here with my new server API key, which I won't show everyone on stream for once. Reset the key, copy, paste. I'll show you guys my old one because it's now outdated anyway. SERP API key, and I needed to know what I called the SERP API key. Add. This hides it. I can show you. I mean, it is truncated. So then you add the environment variable to the project settings, and I think you just one-click deploy, and that's it. And I can have it hosted. We'll see if that works. Excellent. Is there anything anyone wanted me to check? Let's check the TikTok comments. I was really into Wolverine. I don't know if you guys saw my Wolverine video. Let's see, it's got 5,000. Everyone's interested in Auto GPT on Windows, dude. They don't realize how crap it is. Nah, I'm sure it's actually kind of good once you've figured it out. I'm a bit impatient here. Alan Radu says, can you make it do trading for you? How to work with Auto GPT. Okay, I guess that's the thing we'll do next. Actually using Auto GPT for a good purpose. Trading or how to work with it. Gravitas. Does API key need to be GPT-4 or 3.5 will work? 3.5 will work. Oh, Atia. You're a fan from a long time ago. That's really cool. Can be used when you want to prompt Midjourney to get the closest result of an existing image. Oh, that's a cool idea for mini GPT. John Powell says, where did you host your app? Is it like Heroku? I use this thing called Vercel, V-E-R-C-E-L. Oh, it crashed. This one's getting a lot of hype with like web devs. It was really simple. Like it just links to my GitHub, and I literally press one button after I put the environment variable in. No, dude, it's not letting me push because of the TypeScript errors. No, it's coming around to bite me in the butt. How to deploy with TypeScript errors. Vercel. Or should I just fix the TypeScript errors? I should probably just fix them. Okay, fine. I'll be a good developer. Let's see, where are these TypeScript errors? Okay, the first one was this one, I assume. Was that the one it broke on? Where is it? No, it's not. Perp API key. In the API, okay. This one. This one is the first one it breaks on. So how do I fix this argument of type? Obviously, oh, like this? No. Oh, what about like this? Yeah, we fixed one as string. Okay. Dude, I'm a TypeScript developer now. Okay, what's this one? Argument of type method headers is not assignable to request int. Okay. Can we do the same thing as request int init? What it said? Boom! Sick. What about this one? Argument of type is not assignable to type data as data. No, it didn't work that time. Oh, wait. Huh? Oh, here? No. Rating count. If I do that, I don't need that. Nice. All right, we fixed all the TypeScript issues on this file. Now this one. Parameter data has any implicit type. File info is never read. And it has any type. Okay. Okay, so infer parameters from usage, string or any. It's actually it's always gonna be an array of strings. So string like that. And then can I ignore the rest? We'll leave them. I'm just gonna put them as any. I mean, they're not used, but I don't know. I don't know, I'm just like fixing these issues here for now. Push does not exist on type string. Row your boat. Oh, is it an array of arrays? Row is the first. It is an array of arrays. How do you do that? Like that? Wow, it actually worked. Array of arrays is not. Okay, new data array of arrays is not assignable to processed data because it's expecting something else. I think I can just be like string array here to fix that. Yo, Mad Hatter, fun to listen to another dev who talks to themselves. Gotta get to work. I feel like I'm doing it. Actually, I do it when I'm by myself, but obviously I do it on stream just so people, you know what my thought process is. Good luck. Thank you. John Power asks if I'm a back-end dev. I consider myself more front-end, but I'm definitely full stack. Yeah. Okay, yeah, sweet, that fixed it. Alright, let's push all these changes. Mad Hatter, thanks for the like. Fix TypeScript. Fix. Let's see if Vercel will pick up on that and then deploy automatically, or do I have to deploy manually? Go to project. No, I'll do it. Do it manually. Oh, I can name it something. Seed Hub Demo 1. Apollo Delamar, thanks for the follow. Did you just watch one of the vids? I'm seeing how my vids are doing. People are really liking the Auto GPT stuff for some reason. It must. What's hype? Like, what kind of hype stuff did they see that now they think Auto GPT is amazing? Some people are doing some really good marketing Auto GPT. No worries, mate, says Apollo. Any comments? Oh, we got one from a cat. Bleeding Gums Murphy, Simpsons character. I find it incredibly difficult to configure AutoGPT to pass on disk code repository. So many problems getting it to read the files and ingest. Yeah, that's why I don't really want to go back to it. I feel like there's so much like difficulty in getting it running. Oh, I failed again. Hello, Aussie Patriot in the US. Sick. Thanks for saying hi, Apollo. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. I don't find a declaration from module React CSV as any type. Oh my god. What is this? Did I not add it? I guess not. So I better fix this. What is it? String. Actually, it should be string blah blah or null. Here we go. Git add. Git commit. More fixes. Git push. Mario Belomo, welcome. Alright, we're trying to deploy this project on Versal. Try number 3. Hope this one works. Mario Belomo asked what I'm doing. Yeah, so I made this Next.js application. And, whoa, there's a Code Whisper reference log. Weird. And you can upload a CSV file and it does an API call to SERP for Google and add some data to the CSV file. And now I'm trying to deploy it on Versal. Atia, yo, welcome back. Hi dude, can you create "Hi, I did this with Auto GPT in X minutes and this is how I did it" video? Everyone wants me to use Auto GPT to actually do something. But it's like incredibly difficult to make it do anything. But yes, that could, just because everyone's asking for it, I feel like it'll make a good video. So yes, that will be the next mission. Probably for tomorrow. It's almost midnight here. And I'm probably going to wrap this live up once I get this project running. But yeah, thanks for the idea. I'll definitely do that. Look, I'm going to screenshot that and add it to my stream notes. But right now, probably for the rest of this stream, I'll just be answering questions and getting this Versal app hosted. Yarn build exited with 1. Why is that? Doesn't make sense for me. I'm gonna Google it. Alex White, welcome. Blah blah blah. Your app is failing because of contact. How do you know that? What? Oh, what? Failed to compile. Mine doesn't give me the fail to compile. Or did I just not scroll down enough? No, that's it. Hell. Try again. Let me just try one more time. Wait. Deploy. A Git repository cannot be connected to more than 3 projects. Can I remove the old projects? Where are my projects? Or do I click this? Is this gonna say the same error? Where do I see the projects, dude? Aha! Is this it? This must be it. Oh, there's 3 of them. Deployments. Oh, this one might not have the environment variables. It doesn't. So, go to the other one. Bro, it's so hard for me to navigate this. All right, here we go. CSV Google deployments. This one failed. Inspect deployment. Nice. Okay, this is a better message. I don't find React CSV, dude. I swear did I not commit that? Yeah. Git status. How do you see the last git log, the last change? I don't know. I don't know how. Do it like this, I guess. Did this not? Oh, it didn't change. Package JSON. When I added, oh, what the hell? Package JSON should have React CSV. Oh, it does. So why am I getting this error with React CSV? Could not find a declaration file. A module. Implicity has any type. Huh. What does that mean? I guess you just have to npm install it. I don't know what difference that's gonna make. Oh, is it because it's in... Nope. npm install save React CSV. Oh man, my npm doesn't work, dude. Newsnor, thanks for joining again. Here we are, except this time I'm not doing AI stuff just for tonight. I'll be doing more Auto GPT stuff next stream, which will be like probably 8 to 10 hours from now, maybe. Gunpower says, does Vercel have CLI you can install it on? That sounds like something they would have, but I'm not sure. Alright, let me try change npm versions. And do npm install. 14.17. Okay, that looks like it might work. I don't get what difference this is gonna have in my, I mean, we'll see. It might like git diff. We will see. This thing's stuck in the back of my tooth. Really annoying. NPM is so slow, man. Whoa, that did not help it. Newsnor asks, you know why Canberra has the best programmer? Why? Because I live there? There's nothing else to do after dark? Yeah. I mean, there's plenty of stuff you could do. But yeah, programming the best thing to do. After dark and before dark. Damn, Will Widow says I'm gonna be wealthy thanks to you. Yes, Mini GPT-4, that's the one. Apparently this one can read images. Yeah, thanks for the comment as well. I thought that one was cool. You can use it to get the prompt from a Midjourney image. Is that what you meant? Canberra's nice. Have you been here, News? Alright, let's see what that changed. Git diff. Nothing. Literally nothing. How is that going to change anything? I can't even commit a change because nothing changed. What? Oh, package log? No, I doubt that. I doubt that will change anything, but I'll give it a go. Let's see. No, I always used to think that it doesn't really matter whether or not you commit package.lock or package lock JSON, but I might be proved wrong right here. Let's see. The High Court, yeah. I actually walked past that the other day. It actually looks like a nice building, but I mean, it's not like very interesting apart from that. You're a lawyer near Sydney, learning the program. Awesome, dude. That's so cool. You should learn AI. I reckon AI could help lawyers out so much. Just from like looking up knowledge real fast, asking questions about the law without having to look it up, and generating reports, Aphrodite's, you know what I mean, affidavits, all that stuff. Still the same error, I thought so. I'm kind of happy that I wasn't proved wrong with the package lock, but I'm kind of sad that it's still types React CSV. Okay. Oh, I need the types for it. Like the TypeScript types. Wait. So let me just yarn at that. Man, I can't believe. Can't believe I had to do an npm install. Well, thought I did. Alexander Root, thanks for joining and commenting. Law is perfect for AI because of the way they define things so specifically. Yeah. My Python is pretty good. Nice. TS and JS just started. Oh man. That's a lot more than probably everyone else in your profession. John Power, AI will defend itself in court soon for winning all the art competitions. They've been prompting their PAs for years, so they have some experience. GPT-4 is legit equivalent to a 5-year plus experienced lawyer, and I run a law firm. Awesome. Damn, running a law firm, you must earn bank. Maybe. Actually, I don't know. At least all the grad lawyers I've talked to don't earn that much. Hallucinations are a problem, yeah, for sure. Okay, I'm pretty confident this will work now. Git add, got add, git commit, fix types React CSV, git push. All right, man, I've been sitting down for 2 hours and a half. I'm gonna like stretch my legs while this deploys, and hopefully it'll work. Nah, man, my cousin who's a C# engineer earns the same. True. Well, I guess like, I don't know. I was gonna say, if you own a law firm, like the cap could be a lot depending on how big the firm is and stuff. But yeah, definitely not something that I got any expertise on. I'm gonna stretch out here. Why is it queued still? Not running. Now push it to run. Oh no, here we go. Building. Let's go. Nice. Looks like it got past to where it broke last time. Schrödinger, welcome. All right, guys, I think that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for joining, commenting, liking, all the nice words. If you can, please subscribe to my YouTube as well. Trying to grow some subs there and then make more long form content like vlogs and stuff. Yeah. That's it. Let's see, the versal complete. Pretty much running checks at signing domains ready. Boom. We have successfully deployed our app. That works. Excellent. Cool, guys. Thanks so much. Peace out. Oh shit, I've just realized that I might have not seen all the messages on YouTube.